Hello everyone. The Senzo Meyiwa murder trial has been postponed to 26 July 2024 due to the recess period. 5 suspects, which are Muzika Ukalelwa Sibiya, Bongani Ntanzi, Mthobisi Mncube, Mthokoziseni Maphisa, and Fisokuhle Ntuli are in custody, waiting for the outcome of the case. These suspects have been accused of murdering the soccer star Senzo Meyiwa. Senzo was visiting his girlfriend, the singer Kelly Khumalo, on 26 October 2014. He was shot and killed at Vosloorus in Johannesburg. All these men pleaded not guilty. The traditional healer King Baka has commented on the case and said that he believes that all these 5 accused men are innocent, which means that they were framed by a certain individual or a certain people allegedly, and Kelly Khumalo won't be arrested, because if they release the suspects, that means Kelly Khumalo must be arrested. He further said that eventually they will release the suspects because they didn't kill Senzo Meyiwa, and vowed that Kelly Khumalo won't be arrested.
Ngangifuna ukukhombisa abantu ukuthi mangithi mina ngibheka izinto angidlali. Ngasho mina ngathi even icala lika Senzo Meyiwa, ngasho ngathi uKelly Khumalo ngeke baze bambophe. Ngaphinde ngasho futhi ngathi laba baboshiwe izwa nje ukuthi how much complicated this thing is, because phela laba baboshiwe uma ukuthi ngakaboshwa uKelly Khumalo shuthi ibona abanecala, uma bephuma lapho shuthi uKelly Khumalo abanecala. Kodwa mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngithi laba baboshiwe abanacala, inkantolo izobadedela. Bese ngithi uKelly Khumalo sebadedeliwe laba, but uKelly Khumalo still ngeke azaboshwa. Abayihlupha abantu ukuthi King yini ube namandla mangaka ukwazi ukubona into ethu, because ejulile leyonto.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.